So this, where we're at now, it's kind of like a theme park in Xishuangbanna. But they have this sort of water spraying attraction, because actually in Dai culture, water is very important. Somebody got me! That was so cool. That next time I come here, I need to bring my swim shorts because I want to join in. That was so good. Basically, this sign here is saying that in 2017, this village was awarded, named as one of the most beautiful villages in China. It's quite interesting because you've got the Chinese, and then this is Dai. This is their own script. You know, it's really simple to get here because if you're in Thailand or Laos, you can now get a train from the capital of Laos, Vientiane, right to Xishuangbanna. Additionally, China has granted visa-free entry to all tour groups from ASEAN countries into Xishuangbanna. I've actually travelled on the train myself. Not only is it super easy, but it is also super convenient. Coming right from Vientiane in the capital of Laos to Xishuangbanna.